Hello everybody, my name is Zero and welcome back to another video on the second channel. This is the IRL channel, and today I'm replacing my sway bar links. Now, why am I doing this? Well, actually about 3 weeks ago now, they broke. I heard a big snap coming from the driver's side. And what I found out was the sway bar link is broken. So, yeah. So, I need to replace these. So, and you know what? It's going to be just some stuff to do, with this truck. So, let me get this thing on some jack stands, get the tires off, and let me show you guys what actually broke. All right, so tires are off. And now, you can see, I already removed one of the sway bars whenever I did it because it was kind of in the way. But the sway bar was supposed to connect from right behind here to right there. So, kind of what's happening is it just snapped. Like, I hit a bump. And the thing is I was just going into a parking lot right there. So I don't know how that exactly happened. It just happened. So there's this side, and then the other side right here, which is all in shape right here. You could see it hitting it right there. So actually, let me remove this part and then let's compare the new and the old sway bars. All right, so this is the new sway bar and the old sway bar. This is the one that I took off from the passenger side. And this is the old, very one that broke right here. You could see how it broke and all that. So I got this thing, Super Pro suspension for the Ford Ranger. So what I need to do from here is I need to figure out which way it goes, like according to these instructions, like which way's up, which way's down. Just trying to figure that out. I think it goes like that, potentially, but I don't know. Let me investigate a little bit. Well, whatever. I don't think it's too big of a deal here. So what I need to do is loosen it up so it's like the perfect size where the center of this meets the center of that from there. And then I'll do this for this guy right here as well. And I'll also do the locking nuts as well. So yeah, let me do that. I don't know if this is how you do it, but I took one of the washers off, and then there's the nuts right here that will go on the other side. So I guess what I can just do now is just install these. So let me install the one that broke, side that broke, and then we'll see. So actually this wasn't that hard. I mean, you just put it in, you get it to the right size, of course, tighten it down with a 19 mil right here and right up there. I mean, it gets it all good. And, oh man, that feels a lot more sturdier. So this is the exact same length. Standard FX4 package, so hopefully this should be all good. What is that? It's like a sack for a caterpillar or something right there. But yeah, it's all good there, so now let's do the other side. I got the second one installed, all nice and secure. The process that I did is I used to get the original sway bar off. See this right here? Once you get the wheel off and on lift, it's a lefty-loosey nut. So you do right, and then you have an 18 millimeter. It's actually the same for this one right here. Where's my 18 millimeter? I'm like right on it. But you use your 18 millimeter, stick it right here, and you loosen it up. And it's the same for the bottom end right here. And then it will just pull straight out. Simple, easy, and makes it work. Now that I'm looking at all this in here, man, things have a lot of just general slight surface rust. So I wonder if the next thing I might want to do, I mean, I do want to get better wheels and better suspension and all that, is I wonder if it'd be better for me to try and upgrade the steering components. And also this guy, I think the drive shaft, or not drive shaft, but the front axle, CV axle on both sides. But yeah, you can see how rusted it is up there. And yeah, so that's all good there. Let me put the wheels back on and lower it down, and maybe we'll do a quick test drive. We are now going to be doing a little test on just simple off-roading, you know? So I'm on just some dirt ground. These new sway bar links are definitely going to show what's really going to happen, you know? I mean, you know, it's literally just sway bar links, so it won't feel much different from the original, but does it, like, compared to the old ones, whenever I held them, they had a little bit of flex, but these don't. So I wonder if it's going to feel a little bit stiffer, you know, just, you know, driving in general, you know, which they feel pretty alright right now. I mean, the camera's really getting it alright, and I mean, the vibration is really minimal at the moment. Like, you just go through and it just works, you know? You don't have to worry about much whenever it comes with this. I mean, and again, I mean, you want to disconnect sway bar links whenever it's off-road. Let's say rough off-road, but if you're going like a little bit fast off-road, sway bar links will help improve stability for sure. Which I used to do very fast off-roading for a while. I mean, but now I'm kind of gotten a little bit more patient about this. So, I mean, so far, I mean, works great. I've been running these since I've installed them for about 3 days now. I'm finally getting to record this bit right here. So, I mean, so far they are doing pretty alright. It's like something, I haven't been in this little spot in a while, so. Boy, bumpity bump bump. That's one thing, is I need better just outright suspension, like, so it feels more I want more of a soft feel. Still kind of jolts me around slightly, but having it stiff kind of is like, nah, you know. I want to absorb those bumps a little bit, you know. But yeah, I'm just going around this loop, just feeling it. Haven't felt this off-road in a while yet, so hopefully this does something. And also what I like to do with this area is, since there's a lot of grass growing, I want to kind of make a, like, just drive through here multiple times, compact the dirt down, and just make it a dedicated path. So yeah, this is so far feeling real nice. So yeah, so that's kind of going to be about it. I mean, once you look under here, actually this is going to be one final check. Looks like all the bolts are in place on this side. And then if you go out to this other side, you probably go on a back side here, it all looks in position. So I'm pretty glad that this went pretty successful. I mean, no breakage or anything like that. It just works. You don't have to worry about much at all when it comes to this sort of stuff. I mean, I'm kind of getting ate up by bugs out here. Bugs are crazy where I'm at, since this is like, nobody comes here, no pesticides or anything, which I kind of like. It kind of keeps a natural environment here, you know? Like, if we got rid of all the weeds and all that, then that'd be kind of weird. But yeah, so I think that this kind of segment right here on doing my truck, like, you know, upgrading the sway bar links and all that, definitely will help out in the long run, and probably I won't have to worry about them for at least a real long time. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you guys didn't, hit the dislike button, but if you guys did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you
on another video on my main channel, gaming, or the second channel, which is the everything channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.